Today let's discuss class 7th. Try this page 40. So here we are going to divide a decimal number by another decimal number. Okay, that is the question here. And the first question here is 7.75 divided by 0.25. Okay, 7.75 divided by 0.25 is our question. Okay. Here the first thing that you have to do is what? You have to just remove the decimal point from the denominator. Okay, that will be the first easy step that you have to do. Okay, you have to remove the decimal point from the denominator. Okay, from 0, that is denominator here is what? 0.25 is the denominator here. So you have to remove the decimal point from the denominator. So in order to remove the decimal point from the denominator means what? You have to move it towards the right side. Okay, then only the decimal point will get removed. Okay, that means you have to move 1, 2. 2 places you have to move, only then it will reach at here, or it will reach 0.25 point. Okay. Only then you will get it as 25. 0.25 point means what? 25 itself. Okay, only then that decimal point will get removed. Okay, so 7.75 divided by 0.25 means what? If you remove this decimal point, what will happen to the denominator? It will become 25. Now what about the numerator? If you are moving the decimal point by 2 places to the right, in the case of denominator means you should do it for numerator also. Okay, so in the denominator we have moved the decimal point to the right by 2 places means I will move this point 1, 2 places to the right in the numerator also, so that this will become what? 775. Understand? The first step is that you have to remove the decimal point from the denominator. Okay, our denominator was 0.25. In order to remove this decimal point, you have to move this decimal point 2 places to the right. Only then you will get it as 25. Only then you will get the denominator as a whole number. Okay, so since you have moved 2 places to the right in the case of denominator, you have to do the same in the case of numerator also. That's why I have moved this decimal point to the right by 2 places in the numerator, so that the numerator have become what? 775. Understand? Without the decimal point. So now our task is what? Just divide this 775 by 25, so that we will get the answer. In this question, when I have removed the numerator, automatically the decimal point from the numerator have also got removed. But it's not the case always. Okay, only task is to remove the decimal point in the denominator only. Okay, so that now our question is 775 divided by 25. So 25 into 3 is 75. Now 2, 5 in 25, 1. So 25, 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 31. Okay, so answer for this question will be 31. Understand how I have done this? It will be more clear when you are doing the next one. Okay, second question. Let's do it. 42.8 divided by 0.02. Okay, that is the question. So here also our main task is to remove the decimal point in the denominator. So numerator is 42.8 divided by, what is the denominator? 0.02. Okay, so if you are removing this decimal point in the denominator means 1, 2. So that the denominator will become what? 2. That is 002 means what? 2 itself. Okay, so denominator will become 2. So since I have moved this decimal point 2 places to the right in the denominator, I have to do the same in the numerator also. That is moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. Okay, 2 places to the right means I have moved it, and the decimal point will reach here. That means numerator will become what? 4, 2, 8, and here there is nothing. Nothing means there you can add 0. So that our question will become what? 4280 divided by 2. Understand? That is here in the denominator For removing the decimal point, I have to move the decimal point towards the right side by 2 places. So I have done the same process in the numerator also. So moving this decimal point to the right by 2 places means what? Here there is no number, means there you will have to add one 0. Understand what I have done? So that our question will turn into 4280 divided by 2. Okay. Now you can simply do that. That is 4280 divided by 2. So what will be the answer? 2, 4, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 8, 4, 8, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so answer is 2140. Okay, answer for this question will be 2140. Easy. Okay, now let's see the third question. Third question is that 5.6 divided by 1.4. Okay, 5.6 divided by 1.4. So we have to remove the decimal point in the denominator first. So 5.6 divided by 1.4. Okay, so in order to remove the decimal point in the denominator, you have to move this decimal point by 1 place, so that denominator will become 14. So since I have moved the decimal point by 1 place in the denominator, I have to do the same in the numerator also. So moving this decimal point by 1 place means it will reach here, so that the numerator will become 56. Okay, that is this point reaching here means what? It will become 56 point. 56 point means what? It's 56 itself. Okay, so 56 by 14. Okay, so now let's do this 56 by 14. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 14 into 4. Let's do 14 into 4. 16, carry 1. So 14 into 4 is 56. Okay, so our answer will be 4. Understand? Our answer for this question will be 4. And there will not be decimal point in the answers. Okay, why? We have converted all these things in this way. Okay, here you cannot see any decimal point. So in the answer also there will not be any decimal point. But there are some cases where there will be some decimal point in the numerator. In that case, you have to put the decimal point in the answer accordingly. Okay. So this is all about this question. So thank you.